They said cloud is dead. They said AI replaced everything. But pause for a second and think, when you use the ChatGPT and ChatGPT answers you, where does it live actually? Means the ChatGPT. And when Midjourney renders an image, who carries that compute load? Not the AI itself, right? The cloud does. The truth is simple. AI is the brain and cloud is the body. One cannot exist without the other. We humans love shiny objects. A few years ago, everyone rushed to become a cloud architect. Then came generative AI, and suddenly cloud felt outdated. But history repeats itself. Every wave of hype rides on the previous foundation. AI did not kill the cloud. Actually, AI evolved because of cloud. Let's be real. AI is not magic, it's math, compute, and massive data pipelines. Those large language models like GPT or Gemini, where does it reside? They are trained across thousands of GPUs distributed across global data centers hosted on the cloud. And without cloud scalability, no AI startup could survive training cost itself. And without cloud networking, no model could talk to billions of users simultaneously. So the cloud is the nervous system of AI. So what should you actually learn right now? I will suggest you to start with cloud fundamentals like VPCs, IAM, storage, compute, and networking, and then move to containerization like Docker and Kubernetes, because every AI microservices lives in a containerized world. Then learn serverless, data engineering, and how GPUs are orchestrated in the cloud. The cloud is not just infrastructure, it's the AI playground. Once your cloud base is strong, AI becomes your creative layer. So then learn Python, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. Experiment with building your own LLM pipelines. Connect them to AWS SageMaker or GCP Vertex AI or Azure ML. This is where real magic happens, where cloud meets intelligence and your architecture becomes alive. The world doesn't need just cloud engineers or AI scientists anymore. It needs cloud AI fusion architects, professionals who understand both how to deploy AI reliably, securely, and ethically at scale. That's your edge, and that's your next level identity. So forget the noise. The winners of 2025 or this upcoming 2026 and beyonds are not those who chase trends, but those who connect the dots. So learn the cloud and master on AI and build systems that scale minds, not just code. This is your evolution. This is your cloud genius era. Welcome to the show.